Ere kaka Wadef ogolo kwayo ne gavana ma kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo timo piyo e chenro mar ndiko ayanga gode mag Rambugu e yor konyo rito weche alwora kendo ywayo welo bende. Kane gilose romo margi e sikund sekondar ma Haya, giwacho ni gisechako chenro mar pidho yien 5,000 kochopo giko dwe mar achiel higa manyien. Bende gikwayo gavana Orengo mondo ondik ayanga gode mag Rambugu e yor chopo kare chenro mar piny owacho ni godo mar pidho yien bilion 15. Gikwayo jopiny mondo osir lwedo chenro mag pidho yien kod rito alwora bende.
Government to expedite the gazettement of hills, especially Rambugu Hill, so that we can have and boost our water catchment areas. Rambugu, it was earmarked long time ago for gazettement, and up to now, people are now using it personally because it is not gazetted. So my appeal to the county government is to hurry up in the gazettement of this particular hill so that we can have a water tower and also boost in tree planting.
Today we are planting trees at my secondary school, rolling it out for the 5,000 trees that the chief said, and we have participated, and we believe that today we are speaking to the hearts of West Asembo, speaking to the hearts of Rarieda, and speaking to the hearts of Kenyans that we must unmask this ghost of climate change without us negating the fact that without us doing this, it will turn out to be a ghost, it will be a monster.
We want to ensure that West Asembo is part of the climate change initiative that is currently ongoing.